there's so much to see. Building the future, it starts with we. Together we rise, aiming for the stars. S2 coaching, right where you are. So come on in, let's start today. With S2 coaching, you'll find your way. Math and science, strong and true.